Hey everybody, Mr. Steve here. We are here at the park. There are a lot of parks in existence, I know that, but this one is the park because it's literally right next to our house. It's literally right behind our house, so that's awesome. So this is the park for us. Anyway, there's a lot of sort of wildflowers that pop up here in the park. But what I've noticed lately is, for whatever reason, these wildflowers have just become a bee haven, a bee mall. Maybe not a bee mall, a bee shopping center. A bee shopping center that hasn't seen the best days. They shut down the Barnes & Noble, the Bees & Noble.
Yeah.
But I hear they might open a Target. So there's all these bees here. Let me see if I can show you a few. Oh, there's a bee. Hi bee. Hi little guy. How you doing? Say hi to your mother for me.
Whoever's feeding Jaden, get him off.
There's a bunch of other ones all over the place.
Jaden, get him off this yellow thing.
I've been seeing some tiny baby bees too, and that's like happy news. Oh, I see you there, buddy. I see you, little guy. There you are. Hi. Bunch of bees. And there's a lot of flowers all over the place. So a lot of flowers means a lot of bees. You know?
Here. Come here. Oh. Shake hands. Come here. No.
Ooh, that's a big one there. You see that one? Is that even a bee? That might be... that might be Danny DeVito. That's how big that one is. And on top of all of the bees and stuff, now there's this cat here. Hi, random cat. We've also been finding a lot of teeny tiny frogs at the park today. Where'd you go? There you are. You know, I guess the whole point is, it's important to know. It's important to realize when you're at the park and stuff that, you know, you're outside in nature and you might want to be careful. You don't want to step on a bee or a frog or a butterfly, because this is their home too. Butterfly. So I guess the point of this video is just be nature aware this summer, because the bees aren't doing too great. The bees have been having a hard time. Eleanor, don't put all of that down. That's gross. Just be nature aware. The bees haven't been doing great. Personally, I blame Jerry Seinfeld, because Bee Movie was not great. Guys, so when you're out and about, you know, walking around in nature, walking around at the park and whatever, just be careful where you step. There might be bees there. So just be careful. You see what I did there? That was a pun because I'm empty inside.